Today we have a cold air intake from Sinister diesel, and we're going to be installing it on our 17 F250 behind me. This is the perfect upgrade for throttle response and turbo spool up. Honestly perfect for towing or even hitting the racetrack. This is a fully bolt-on kit, so let's just jump right into the install. Alright, so jumping right into it, there are two 8mm bolts right here. And then for the clamps, they are a 7mm. Go ahead and take these two off. Bam. Once you get all those bolts, it comes right off. Just like that. On the stock intake, you will have to take off the sensor, so just remember doing that before throwing it away. Once you take it out, you can just put it right into the new intake, and it just literally bolts right in. Lines up well. All right, so once you take off the stock one, put on the new one. I went ahead and put on the boot on first. Makes it a little bit easier when installing. And then go ahead and just slide on the new pipe into that boot. Just like that. And then you're gonna have to put on the mounting bracket in here. It just connects straight into the air intake, and then there's a little hole at the bottom. It just plugs right into it. But other than that, make sure to put your plug back in, right into the sensor, and then just tighten down your bolts on the clamps here. And just like that, quick and easy install. Now you got a nice looking cold air intake. If you want to shop on any parts of the 6.7, make sure to go to SinisterDiesel.com.